guys. Hi guys, this is me. I'm gonna do this, and it's very cool. I've never seen it before, but it's very cool. I've never seen it before, and here it is. I'm gonna sit on the ground for a minute, and you're gonna see what it is. It's right next to Luigi. It's behind Luigi actually, and my mom's playing this game. It's called Yoshi's Woolly World. But I am going to do something new. So close your eyes, everybody. I'm going to show you what it is. In 3, 2, 1, zoom. Yeah. Have you ever seen this before? Read this. It says, this smells like water and leaves. And that's it. And now, that's what they look like. And this is what they look like right here. Oh, they're so beautiful. So right now, I am going to pick one of these up. So I'm going to put this right here. And I am going to carefully. Now, I'm going to grab one of these. Oh, this is the tiniest one ever. That's what they look like. This is what they look like. Now, this is what they look like inside. Oh my god, there's so many in there. Now, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Now, watch this. Kind of see my balls in my hand, but I'm putting my, see those blue things on my hand? Those are my puppets. So let me just get this guy, this little guy. Oh, let's get this little guy. He's right in the back. Get one of these little guys. Yes, now I got this little guy. There's a little guy somewhere. Yeah, I got him. I think I got him. There's more over here. There's a lot of them. I get this guy. No, this guy. Oh, this guy is mad. This guy's mad.
Hey.
Mad business.
You watch this down here or up here or downstairs?
Oh, bad business right here.
Alright, come on, Godric. Let's go to your room. We're going to watch it up here, I guess.
Bad
Godric, to your room. Nothing because my legs hurt.
Bye. Bye, after this.
Godric, come on.